A Chime Name Mismatch Error occurs when the name on an incoming deposit or transfer does not exactly match the legal name on your Chime account. These are the best fixes that you can do. First is to call the Chime or use the chat feature in the Chime app. Be prepared to submit photos of a valid, government-issued ID that clearly shows your correct legal name. Chime will update your legal name and send you a new debit card with the correct name. And avoid using the old card for transactions that require name verification until the new one arrives. Now, Chime only accepts deposits where the recipient's name matches the name of the Chime account holder. If either a deposit or transfer is returned, you must contact the person or institution that initiated the payment. Now, inform the sender to update their records with your exact legal name as it appears on your Chime account. And once the sender has corrected the name in their system, they will need to resend the payment. And if the name cannot be corrected quickly, the sender may need to use an alternative payment method, such as mailing a physical check or using a different transfer service. And that's how you can fix if your Chime name has a mismatch error. And thank you for listening.